In this round, two contestants will be given a topic and they have to fire punchlines about it that are so mean that it should make their mothers question how they raised them. For example, if the topic is people who go on diets, the joke would be, no matter what diet people are on, it always somehow involves chewing your brains. So it's time now to meet our trolls. Now this comedian tells us that Shah Rukh Khan once told her, your energy is infectious. In these times, she has the only thing worth getting infected by. Please welcome Priyam Saha! Alright, as for our next comic, unfortunately, he will not be able to join us today because of a family emergency, but he will be joining us on video call. So basically, it's a work call where you can't put the person on mute. Please welcome Kashyap Swaroop. So for this round, your topic is NRIs. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, ready to kill it?
Ready to kill it.
All right, fire it up. Let's go.
The NRI accent is so annoying that when Sobo kids heard it, उन्होंने हिंदी में बात करना शुरू कर दिया.
NRIs form the largest diaspora of any nationality in the world, or as Marathis like to call them, diaspora and diasporgi.
The NRI accent is so annoying that when given a chance between a joint and an R, वो अपने R's roll कर रहे हैं.
NRIs in America have a very special place in the heart of American President Donald Trump, which is really sad when you come to think about it because he's the one who really wants them to leave. It's like a classic case of if you love someone, let them go. And if they come back, it's probably because of a change in leadership and H-1B visa policies.
But you know, NRIs remind me of some good times. NRIs remind me of my ex-boyfriend because he also loved me so much that he left me.
I first learned about the concept of NRIs while studying brain drain in school, which is a phenomenon where our best minds occupy the best seats in the best universities in the country only to move abroad to contribute to those economies, or as Punjabis emigrating to Canada like to call it, ghar wapsi.
NRIs love India so much. On Christmas, they don't say ho ho ho. They go oh ho 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 ho.
According to the 2015 census of India, approximately 12,000 Indians live in Pakistan as NRIs. But the Pakistani government still insists none of them is Dawood Ibrahim.
NRIs love India so much, they don't feel the need for speed, they feel the need for bheed.
A big positive for NRIs living abroad is that they don't pay taxes because they drive taxis.
NRIs are the biggest hypocrites, but सच तो यही है कि बाहर गांव में टैक्सी चलाने वालों पे इतना एटीट्यूड तो नहीं जचता.
As Indians, our sense of nationalism is very odd. Like if an Indian decides to settle abroad, we'll forgive them as long as उन्होंने इस देश का नमक खाया. But if Western cuisine is any indicator, guys, इस देश का क्या? उन्होंने उस देश का नमक भी नहीं खाया.
अच्छा वैसे देसी इस दुनिया में कहीं भी हो सकते हैं, पर दोस्ती उनको फेलो देसी से ही करनी है. I just want to say कि क्यों गए हो बॉस्टन अगर तुम्हारे गैंग में सिर्फ भांडूप से लोग हैं? What's the point?
NRIs are non-resident Indians who live abroad for professional or personal reasons. For example, if you get married to an NRI, or if you get a job in an MNC abroad, or if you default on your $1 billion loan and get investigated by the Central Investigation Authority and, you know, the usual stuff.
I'm not saying NRIs are hypocrites, that's not what I'm saying at all. पर अगर इतनी याद आती है मिट्टी की खुशबू की तो वापस आ जाओ ना. अमरीश पुरी की तरह लंदन में बैठ के आई लव माय इंडिया खेलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
NRIs are Indians who've decided to live abroad just so they don't have to earn in INR. Listen, I'll be the first to admit this joke will work as effectively as our economy.
But you know, every time I speak to an NRI, they are like, मेरे पास buildings है, properties है, गाड़ी है, बंगला है, bank balance है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मेरे पास मेड दीदी है.
All right, well done, dear. Make some noise. Fantastic. Well done, well done, well done. That was so brutal that if I were an NRI, I wouldn't even think of returning. Who said did you guys enjoy more? Did you like Priyam or did you like Kashyap? Whoever it is, make sure you vote for them on comedycentral.in/SRCP or they will both find you and troll you.